Hey, my money peeps! Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hey! My name is Tanya, aka Money and Nails, and today we are going to be doing some unboxing. So let's go. The first package we are going to look at is from Target, aka Target. Now, I must say, the intention was to buy milk and coffee creamer. But right when we walked in, their little budget section, I think is what it's called, I'm not sure, or clearance. But my husband found some stuff and I was like, oh! So first thing off the bat was this cute Days Until Christmas calendar. Now, if you have not seen my previous video, just to let you know, Christmas is my season. We love that holiday. And my Christmas season starts on November 1st. That's right. So I have that amount of days until I start my Christmas decorations. And this was only $5 in their little budget section. And it's really cute. This little wreath goes on, fits into the slats on what day it is. So you will be seeing that. Most likely, it has a little stand on here, so it'll probably go right there. Okay. Oh, I just knocked my kitty over. So the next thing that I found in the same section was this cute little decoration here. It says snowballs 5 cents, fresh cut trees, and this one says sleigh bells and it has like the little bells in it. So this was really cute and I thought this would be good decoration like to put up on my desk here. This one was $3. Then we also found in the same section whole bunch of little cute Christmas presents. And these were $1 each. And then we also found these cute little Christmas trees, and these were also $1 each. So you will be seeing these on my desk because that was my intent. November 1st, the decorations begin. Question of the day. How old are you and what month is your birthday in? Let me know down in the comments. Next items that I got were, now this had nothing to do with Black Friday. These were just purchases that I did. So I got some new envelopes. So the first set that I got is from Gabriella Budgets, and she's off of Etsy. And I mean, hello, red sparkle, y'all know my color. And these are so cute. These are A7 for my wallet. So of course, in my normal categories, we have gas, groceries, eating out, miscellaneous, snacks, and then firewood, which I usually carry this during the winter months. So these are, oh, and I just noticed on the back, it's cute, cute, cute. So that is Gabriella Budgets on Etsy. And I use my Moulton box to store all my envelopes, my A7 envelopes. Got my collection going in here. And then our next package is from Debt Free Panda. Hey girl, hey Amanda. So I did order from her, oops, turn that over. 2 sets of envelopes and a saving challenge. So So I saw this cute, just a simple saving challenge. Oh, I guess I got two of them. I forgot. So this one that says Abundant $250 Challenge, and it's a scratch off. And then I also got this 750 Savings Challenge, which is another scratch off. The envelopes that I got were, this is called Champagne. And this set is called Rose Gold. Look at that sparkle. Gorgeous. And then it comes with a set of labels to put on each tab. And then I will use the categories on here of, let's see, there's gas, groceries, out to eat, and let's see, miscellaneous. And then, I need one for snacks. I might just put shopping at the end and just use that one for snacks. Then we also got a new scratcher for the scratch off challenges. Love it. So we can just go and scratch those off. We also got some cute little stickers. We got the money bags, piggy banks, little credit cards. And then also one of her little cards that tells her about her shop. Supporting her business, which I adore. And then we also got this card that says, "Life is tough, my darling, but so are you." Hello, snap, snap. So thank you, Debt Free Panda. These are gorgeous. I'll add these to my collection of envelopes. Next up, we have Amazon Prime Day. So everything that I got was in relation to my cell phone. So the first thing that I got was this little portable charger. So I have this one right here. And I started with this one. No problem, great, no issues whatsoever. But it kept disappearing because my son kept taking it. So then I bought two of these with the intent of, he would use one, I would use one. But what would happen is this one would go to 0. I would plug it in, and then he would secretly sneak in, unplug mine, take it, and then put his in. So then when I went to reach for it, it only had like maybe 20% on it. So I'm over that right now. So I decided, you know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and get myself my own. So I found this silver glitter portable charger. Oh, look at the sparkle. Now it is a little bit heavy, but it's just so dang cute. How can you not love this? So it has a little cover that just pops off right here, and then that plugs into the bottom of the phone. Now I'll insert clips because I am filming with my phone, so I can't show you, how it looks, but I will attach a picture when I go to edit. So found this. I don't think you'll be stealing this one. Next up is, I found this cute purple diamond. This is a cover to go over the lens on the camera. So I thought that was just a cute little touch, add a little extra sparkle to it. So I got this. Then I also got a new case, and this is by Caseco. Now this is a cute little clear case, but it has like little sparkles on it. Let me see if I can, yeah, you can see on the camera. So I thought that was really cute. And it comes with a little stand here to put your phone in that spreads apart like this, so then it lays flat, and then you could just have your phone right in here. Now it came with these stickers. I don't know who these people are. Maybe you guys know. I might have to ask my daughter, but okay, cute. And then the last thing I got on Prime Day is a new screen protector. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I suck at putting screen protectors on phones. I usually go to there's usually like a little kiosk in a mall, and I just have one of the people in the booth put it on for my phones. But I saw this on YouTube and it looks easy, but y'all know the easiest thing, I messed it up, so who knows. But what it is, so this cover fits on top of your phone, and then you just press it, and then it totally attaches to your screen. And I thought, how cool and easy that is. So we are going to try this out, and I'm really hoping that it works, because if not, then there's just no hope for me. No hope at all. The last two items I got, I left this one out. This was from Prime Day. So about a month ago, I had originally lost my AirPods. Someone else has them. I hope they're enjoying them. I had to replace, and so I got a case on Prime Day. Of course, you know, the sparkle, glitter, everything that glitters catches my eye. So here you go. And then the last item I got is some hair products. Now, I have been seeing this company nonstop on Instagram. It is the Lock God, and I just been eyeing them. And then they had a Black Friday sale, and I was like, time to pull the trigger. So I got this hair moisturizer, it's hydration, and it is lavender and peppermint. And then I got this scalp oil, which is tea tree and eucalyptus. And I've already started using it, and I love it. I love it. And it's supposed to be helping with hair growth. So I am all for it. And y'all, the packaging of this box was fire. Love it. All right, so that is all my unboxing of the items that I have purchased during Prime Day and during Black Friday, and some additional little stuff there on the side. My next video, we are going to be completing the $500 saving challenge. Woo! Now, if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like the girls' video, and leave me a comment down below. And until next time, guys, see ya!